Hi, Sam Blasco here. In this video we will showcase the FS30C joiner planer combination machine. This multi-award winning FS30 is one of Minimax's most popular machines. If space is an issue for you, this machine gives you quality and capacity in a smaller package. You can see I've just installed the generous fence and cutter head guard. I would like to note here that since OSHA does not approve the Euro-style guard, all SCM joiners and joiner planer combos come with an OSHA-approved setup. One of the advantages of the FS30 is it comes with a secondary lock bar for the fence, and it's right at the cutter head. This will help reduce flex for those times when you really want it rigid, like edge joining, for instance. Nice looking machine too. Alright, let's make some shavings. First thing I like to do with a board is to flatten it, or create that first face plane. Now I'm going to get one straight edge that is also square to that first face plane. Now that I've established one plane and one edge, it's time to thickness the board to the dimension we want. To do that requires a change of setup, which I will time in real time. Some folks fear that combo changeovers will be too time-consuming. I say, if you already have everything on wheels and need to move the joiner out of the way to set up your planer, then the combo changeover time will be much less, with fewer steps too. One minute, with me moving pretty deliberately. My dad called it slowly. Add to that the 15 seconds it takes here to bring the planer bed into position. Easy breezy. One thing you'll notice about Minimax joiner planers is the planer beds do not need to be all the way down when using the joiner, which saves about 15 seconds each way. And the dust collection port ends up in the same position with each function, which also aids in making it a fast changeover. Now here we go. I want you to pay attention here to the increased efficiency of Minimax's more direct dust chutes. Look closely when the cut is complete at how few shavings are left behind. Thank you for watching the Minimax FS30C and its big brother, the FS41C. Check them out.